So Demi freaked out this morning and grabbed my hand and just like went ham on it. I don't know. It's not even focusing. Like, so he gave me indications that he was done, but like I just pet him twice and then I think the fan spooked him. So he bit down and like grabbed me, and like that's from his feet down here. And then his, like he chomped down here and then used his feet down here. Oh man, does it hurt like a, you know. Especially like he got in here, like it didn't go like numb, but it like, he got in the muscle here and it was so sore. Like I just held my wrist like this. It was terrible. So yeah, if you see any of my videos, my cat tried to kill me. True story. Waiting for my Simply Gilded order to go through, and it's not. First time I thought I was gonna be able to get something. It's literally just not loading. It says bear with us, and then it goes right back to the order screen. And nothing. This is really aggravating. I don't know why it's not going through. Looks like I'm not gonna get any Simply Gilded washi. It's probably gonna be sold out. Like it literally just sits here. Let's see, cover up. I don't even know if you can see that because I can't see the camera, but it just says bear with us. Like it won't go through. I don't even understand this. It's probably already sold out. Crappy. Oh well, guess there's not much you can do about it. Well, I'm not gonna make you guys sit here and watch me just hope that it works, so. And none for me. Yep, it didn't check out, so I didn't get any of it, even though it was all in my cart and ready to check out. I have gigabit internet, so super fast internet. Wouldn't check out on my phone, wouldn't check out any of the browsers, cleared my history, did all the best I could, and I got nothing. I guess that's what happens when you try to get something everybody else wants.